Okay, good. Kangaroos, nice. Let's play Ask Me. Super simple. Cards. Here we have a kangaroo family. Let's review the kangaroo family, okay? But imagine we have seen these cards before. Okay, we have sister kangaroo.
Sister kangaroo.
Mommy kangaroo.
Mommy kangaroo.
Baby kangaroo.
Baby kangaroo.
Here we have a brother kangaroo.
Brother kangaroo.
And daddy kangaroo.
Daddy kangaroo.
Okay, different cards. We're gonna work on what's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Andrea.
Excellent. Okay, so go. Ask me, what's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Brother Kangaroo. Okay, who wants to play?
I want to play.
I want to play.
I want to play.
Yes, go. In the middle.
Okay.
And you say, ask me.
Ask me.
What's
What-
your
what's-
name? One,
what's-
2, 3.
What's your name?
Pick a card.
Pick your card. My.
My name is Daddy Kangaroo.
Okay. Who wants to play?
I want to play.
Okay, and we continue like this until all the cards have been said. Pretty much. Have fun with this. Bye.